seems to be everybody kind of crowded around my baloney so baggy. I left below because I had it like, so you can't see through the baloney window. It just seems like there's transparent bag. Hella freaking paparazzis are getting paid to just bait you up. Yeah, I'm gonna join. And then like someone rode off on a bike, so I went to go see if my stuff got stolen, right? Since by like you see Minnie down there. And you can see me. Minnie's down there trying to watch my balloon from getting stolen. Just trying to see me. Can get this freaking one time freaking without somebody punching the wall. It's like a religion, so that's the wall comes up. Check the other videos I mentioned. You can go in there and watch somebody be able to talk about. Hear that? It's gonna get some for the play. I'm saying somehow people conducting harassment on me. It's a Mexican teacher too. They put it on me just for leaving. And before that, I'm gonna say, I want to say that I'm leaving CBS. She has this tattoo on. I want to say that's all this is. Because like this other one had a tattoo on it. I tried to get it for leaving. So I'm just gonna say like Saloon's on shit gonna say I did anything. Avoid that. Like looks like wait here and we'll see black. But I have a route. So it'll be all in black's job, right? Wouldn't it be so cool to just park right here and punch walls and stare at black dude's life? So that's what it's for. Just gotta explain clearly what we gotta do, you know what I'm saying? Then I thought to myself, did you guys steal my crap? No, they didn't steal my crap, but they definitely made me do all this extra smack crap and put my crap on risk. Because my dog's actually guarding my crap. The AK. Yeah. So things on, so I said I did things I didn't do. So people say, I didn't punch the wall. Well, if I have you recording punch the wall, man. So that's why I had that thing on. Definitely gotta just record this balloon. I'm trying to. Actually, we don't have that crap stuff, right? I guess we see exactly how much life you trying to take out our life. Look at this car. Nah, you can send in 1 billion women to come over here and fuck. And I mean, I won't say it is wife or whatever, but I mean, I heard about, let's be honest, all up on the job or whatever, so we're like, you know, we're supposed to say that.